नमस्कार. मी संजय ठाकरे, गणित शिक्षक, जनता विद्यालय धाबा, कोंडाया महाराज, तालुका गोंडपिंपरी, जिल्हा चंद्रपूर. In mathematics first, fourth chapter is financial planning. Now in problem set 4A, first question is on MCQ. Answer of the first is C 0%. Second answer B CGST. Question number MCQ 3 is the 1st July 2017. Then fourth is option B 9%. Then fifth answer is A 15, and sixth answer is B, means B to B. Now question number 2, a dealer has given 10% discount on a showpiece of rupees 25,000, GST of 28% was charged on the discounted price. Find the total amount shown in the tax invoice. What is the amount of CGST and EHGST? Now answer. Here 10% discount on rupees 25,000, which is equal to 25,000 into 10% means 10 upon 100. 1010 get cancelled. Here 1010 get cancelled, which is equal to rupees 2,500. Now the taxable value is equal to 25,000 minus 2,500, which is equal to rupees 22,500. Now 28% GST on this value is equal to 22,500 into 28 upon 100. Now here two zeros get cancelled, and 225 into 28, which is equal to rupees 6,300, and hence the total amount shown is equal to taxable value plus GST, means 22,500 plus 6,300, which is equal to rupees 28,800. Now the CGST is equal to GST, which is equal to GST by 2, which is equal to 6,300 upon 2, which is equal to rupees 3,150, and hence the total amount shown in the tax invoice is equal to rupees 28,800. The amount of CGST is equal to rupees 3,150, and the amount of SGST is equal to rupees 3,150. Now third example is a ready-made garment shopkeeper gives 5% discount on the dress of rupees 1,000 and charges 5% GST on the remaining amount. Then what is the purchase price of the dress for the customer? Now answer. 5% discount on dress of rupees 1,000 means which is equal to 1,000 into 5% means 5 upon 100. Here two zeros get cancelled. 10 into 5 means rupees 50. 50 rupees is discount, and hence taxable value is equal to 1,000 rupees minus 50 rupees, which is equal to rupees 950. Now 5% GST on this value is equal to 950 into 5% means 5 upon 100. 0 get cancelled. 95 into 5 means 475 upon this 10, which is equal to rupees 47.50, and hence the purchase price of dress is equal to taxable value plus GST, which is equal to 950 plus 47.50, which is equal to rupees 997.50, and hence the purchase price of the ready-made dress for the customer is equal to rupees 997.50. Then fourth question means fourth problem. A trader from Surat, Gujarat sold cotton clothes to a trader in Rajkot, Gujarat. The taxable value of cotton clothes is rupees 2.5 lakhs. What is the amount of GST at 5% paid by the trader in Rajkot? एका स्टेटमध्ये आहे. मग या ठिकाणी 5% GST ऑन कॉटन क्लोज ऑफ रुपीज 2.5 लॅक्स मीन्स या ठिकाणी GST काढायचं आहे 2,50,000 into 5% means 5/100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled means 2500 into 5. या ठिकाणी 2 zeros 25 5s are 125, which is equal to now the amount of GST at 5% paid by the trader in Rajkot is equal to 12,500. अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला आन्सर काढता येते. Then fifth problem is Srimati Malhotra purchased solar panels for the taxable value of rupees 85,000. She sold them for rupees 90,000. The rate of GST is 5%. Find the ITC. ITC means input tax credit of Srimati Malhotra. What is the amount of GST payable by her? किती भरावे लागेल तिला GST मग या याच्यामध्ये. Now here taxable value is equal to rupees 85,000 and GST is 5%, and hence या अमाऊंटवर 5% GST भरायची आहे, म्हणजे तो इनपुट टॅक्स झाला, which is equal to taxable value into rate of GST, which is equal to 85,000 into 5%. Here 2 zeros get cancelled, which is equal to 850 into 5, which is equal to rupees 4,250 rupees. Now here this is the input tax credit means ITC, which is equal to rupees 4,250. Now Srimati Malhotra sold Sonal panel at rupees 90,000 and GST is 5%. मग या अमाऊंटवर 5% GST आपल्याला काढावं लागेल आणि तो ती कलेक्ट करेल मीन्स आउटपुट टॅक्स आहे तो, which is equal to 90,000 into 5%. 2 zeros, here 2 zeros get cancelled, hence 900 into 5, which is equal to 4,500 rupees आउटपुट टॅक्स. मग इतके रुपीज आउटपुट टॅक्स आहे आणि इनपुट आपण काढला आहे आणि म्हणून मायनस करून ती GST पेएबल राहील, भरावा लागेल नंतर, which is equal to GST payable is equal to output tax minus ITC, which is equal to 4,500 minus 4,250, which is equal to rupees 250, and hence the ITC of the Srimati Malhotra is equal to rupees 4,250 and the GST payable is equal to rupees 250. Now thank you from Sanjay Thakre.